they funny. Leo Anderson! Thank you. That's his real hair, by the way. How we doing tonight, birds? How we doing? Y'all liking the new year so far? Just a few days in? Really? What's wrong, man? What's wrong? I won't put you on the spot. You good? Anybody broke their New Year's resolutions yet? Yeah. I broke mine, it was like last week. It was about a week ago. Keep in mind that it's January 5th, right? So there's 7 days in a week. That means 7 days prior on the 30th. Mine. Yeah, I broke it before the new year even started. Okay, that's what you want to hear? All right? I wasn't good enough. I only had one resolution, though. It was to be just better about liking white people. I'm gonna be honest. Y'all messed it up for me. This isn't on me. You can't put this on me. This was the other day at work. I work at Panera Bread. I think that's like the first time I've actually said where I work on stage. I mentioned work a lot of times, but I work at Panera Bread, and I can't go into details about this incident, but like, long story short, this white lady threw a bowl of soup at one of my coworkers.
No.
This is fucking wild. So she was very dissatisfied, and like, I hold a management position where I work, so here's the thing. It was my one opportunity to take control of the situation. I have never in my entire life threatened to call the police on anyone, nonetheless a white lady. That feeling of power was fucking euphoric. Like, no wonder y'all do that so much. Like, I felt like Thanos getting the last Infinity Stone. I was like, oh! Get the fuck out of my restaurant. Felt amazing. Like, just that power to just to scare them off. Like, I didn't actually call the police. Like, no, I'm not gonna call the police. I know how it looks, you know, like. Anytime they arrive, they're asking me all the questions. Everybody asking me. She wanted to the soup. But I digress. This is the second incident that white people ruined the new year for me. I guess that's what I'm going with. Some of my friends said they were going out to dinner. I said they're going to a local place. I'm like, cool, local place, I can do local. What they didn't mention is that local to them apparently means a place that's on the way to Thomasville in Georgia. Not in Thomasville, Georgia. On the way. I don't know how much y'all know about like the geography of Tallahassee to southern Georgia, but there's literally nothing in between here and Thomasville. It's straight boonies. Straight boonies. So I'm like, whenever we're already in the car and we're on the way, like I'm stuck at this point. I can't really get out of it. So we pull up to the place and I see the big pearly white gates and I know it's a fucking plantation. I have to explain why a plantation just feels kind of iffy to me. Like, they try to like justify it too. They try to be like, oh, I mean, I think this is like one of those like hunting plantations. You know, they didn't do that here. You know, like we're good. I don't know though. Funny thing is, whenever we like pulled into the place, they had these parking spots, and they had these like signs on the parking spots that said very clearly like, this is only parking for the plantation. Like, what do you think? I'm pulling like 30 yards into this plantation, just be like, okay, I'm just gonna walk home from here. It's the only parking for miles, so you gotta take it where you find it, you know? What are they gonna call a tow service all the way out there? Oh yeah, it's the place by the tree with the broken branch. You can't miss it. I'm gonna be level with y'all for a minute. I did did not mean to make that joke. Holy fuck, that's brilliant. I knew I was a natural at comedy, but damn, like, coming up and sit on stage. I'm 100% serious. I literally had no idea what I was doing until now. Actually, that's on you guys. That's bad on you. Racist minds out there. So anyways, I'm definitely going to use that for the future. No, I don't even know how to continue from here. We get into the place, and he said it was like a honey plantation. I don't know, because I get in there, I see a cotton plant on the table. This is rural Georgia, just keep in mind. Like, they literally had cotton plants on the table. And knowing me, an absolute fool with it, I started like just kind of picking at it, you know? Like, Leo, what the fuck are you doing? Like, Massa, you said you wanted all this cotton picked by the time you got back. I'm just trying to get the job done. They didn't like that. Like, I'm the bad guy, because y'all took me to a plantation. Like, okay, that's on me, guys, sorry. Can't trust white people, man. Yes, I see the crowd, but I really can't. And then my favorite part on the menu was it was on the menu. They had this whole like story about the plantation, about how the owner took the plantation while it was like down in the dumps and decided to build this restaurant to be able to bring it back to the values of hard work and labor that it was founded upon.
Ooh.
Can't make this shit up, people. I sat down at the table, I was like, whose labor was it? Thank you all for putting up with this. I had a lot of great comments this afternoon.
Leo Anderson, everybody! On the subject of trust, unequivocally, you cannot trust us. He's absolutely correct.